Hey guys, welcome. You are watching Technology Welfare. Let's learn and watch with practical in this video tutorial how to use backspin in a virtual DJ simultaneously, how to make and where we have to use to have an effective backspin feature in a virtual DJ by pressing one key. So everything I will tell you in this video tutorial with practical. Let's see now. I will open a virtual DJ. Now see, I have customized a specific key here. See. Now see where and how we have to use. Suppose, let's see. Now I go to just play.
दिल में दर्द सा जगा है, दिल में दर्द सा जगा है, दिल में दर्द सा जगा है। दिल में दर्द सा जगा है, कांटा सा कहीं।
So how it's easy guys. In the midst of that, of course, you can use this backspin to have the effective bypass or one song to another, yeah, one beat to another. So it's totally up to you. By pressing key, of course, you can have the effective backspin. So here I am using here 4 deck. Of course, this can be possible in a 2 deck also. So first and foremost, I will select key here. I will write here backspin. So this one I have selected by a B. So see guys, here once again I would like to show you. If I need to come in a mapping to just here, I will type a B, so it will automatically come this one. Now see, so here you need to write a backspin and this one B, and first one key that you need to Z you need to type here, and this one you need to write deck left stop / button, and second one right once again right one just type any key that is here I have written M, deck right stop / button. So by both see, left and right deck will be a stop. So when we stop here guys, one deck, before stopping one left or right deck, you need to press a backspin key, so it will start to backspin, and one deck you have to stop and second one you need to play. So for playing any deck, you need to once again here select. So see guys, here deck left pad 3 pad 4, so this one Q will be here. So now see, I have selected A, B, yeah, A, S. So according to which one Q that I would like to play after backspin, this can be. So let's see now once again with practical. Suppose if I play here this one,
दिल में दर्द सा जगा है, कांटा सा कहीं लगा है। वो दिल में दर्द सा जगा है, कांटा सा कहीं लगा है।
so of course in this way, of course, you can have an effective backspin on any song. Here backspin that can be on any. Here I have elected here this one actually D. So If you have any confusion, if you will have the confusion, then of course you can raise the query. I will clarify once again. Video will be lengthy, that's why actually I have already elected and simultaneously artificially made, so that quickly this can be actually compose this video, that's why. But now see guys, here if you, one thing I would like to tell you, suppose on this, and if I play this A B deck, suppose C and A, if I play C and A, then backspin can be possible on here also, on here also, on here also. Wherever if we select of the deck, that deck will be backspin. And so while you're shifting one song to another, choose another one. Suppose I'm shifting on this deck C from deck D, then you have to use separate one B. If I use a deck, suppose if I would like to shift on a just B, then you need to select for backspin A, I mean C. Just opposite backspin that should be, otherwise it won't be so effective as you expect. So this is all about in this video tutorial guys. Furthermore, any query of course raise blindly below the comment box. I will reply as soon as possible guys. Thank you very much indeed. Have a great time.